Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Let us read a story today which is going to be very interesting. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. The name of today's wonderful story is Clever Crow. And please watch the video till the end as I will be giving you questions and answers for the story. And now get ready and read aloud with me. In a city, there was a crow known for its sharp intelligence. One day, the crow spotted a shiny ring that had been dropped by a passerby. It was a valuable ring with a shiny gemstone. The crow picked up the ring and sat on a nearby rooftop. Soon, the owner of the ring realized it was missing and began searching for it. The crow watched as the distressed owner asked people if they had seen the ring. Seeing the owner's despair, the clever crow decided to help. It flew down to a busy street and cawed loudly, attracting the attention of a crowd. The crow dropped a ring onto the street, and people gathered around, curious about the commotion. The owner of the ring spotted it and was relieved. He thanked the clever crow and rewarded it with a small treat. The crow flew away, knowing it had done a good deed. The story shows the crow's clever problem solving abilities. The moral of the story is cleverness and helpfulness can bring about positive outcomes. Hope this story was interesting. Now get ready for a few questions and answers. Question number one. What did the crow find? Yes, this is really easy question for you all. Let us check the answer. And the answer is the crow found a shiny ring with a valuable gemstone. Everyone right? Very good. Next question. How did the owner of the ring react when he realized it was missing? Okay, let us go to the answer. And the answer is the owner of the ring was distressed and began searching for it. Right? Good job. Question number three. How did the crow help the owner find the ring? This is also easy for you all. Let us find the answer. The crow attracted a crowd's attention by cawing and dropped the ring onto the street, making the owner notice it. Everyone right? Very good. Next question. What did the owner do when he found his ring? This is also very easy for you all. Let us check the answer. And the answer is the owner was relieved and thanked the crow. He also rewarded the crow with a small treat. If you are right, clap for yourself. Next question. What does this story demonstrate about the crow? Let us go to the answer. The answer is this story demonstrates the cleverness of the crow. If you are right, clap for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.